Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will have a reading drill on CVCC words. Once again, this is teacher Yumi, and please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you'll get notified for my next video upload. So are you ready? Let us start. Have fun in learning. Okay, first we will read words with C and K which sound as k. Sack, back, neck, lock, rock, sock. Okay, this time I want you to read it. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next one. Rack, lack, back, deck, pick, lick, mock, lock, sock. Okay, this is read as L, double L. First we have bell, well, meal, pill, bill, doll. Okay, kindly read it. Okay, great. Okay, say hell, sell, tell, till, kill, gill, null, doll, ball. Okay, read it. Okay, very good. Okay, we have N and T, which sounds as nt. Okay, tent, mint, scent, rent. Okay, you read. Okay, next. Runt, rent, sent, dent, went, tint. Okay, read. Okay, very good. Lamp, camp, hump, jump, bump. Okay, read it. Very good. Camp, ramp, hemp, limb, dump, jump, bump, lump. Okay, read. Very good. Wand, sand, hand, band, land, band. Okay, you read it. Very good. Mend, sand, land, bond, fond, pond. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, good. Cast, best, jest, best, west, least, cost, lost, lost, must, dust, rust. Okay, read. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have the double S. Bass, pass, mass, lass, less, mess, tess, jess. Okay, read. Okay, good. So thank you, and I hope that you learn from today's reading drill. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi, and please don't forget to subscribe and please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. And please do join our group, Grade 1 Sinubuano Binisaya. There you can get instructional materials, reading materials that are very useful for learning. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless. Bye.